As the founder of PATREX Pro, it is my responsibility to make sure you make profit from this particular robot, or it is my responsibility to make sure you understand how to use this particular robot and how to use it to make money, both in your private account or in a pro firm account. All right, that's why I was actually outside the whole of today. I had to rush to the office to do this particular video because my PA told me a lot of people on our Discord community were having some confusions when it comes to the recent version of PATREX Pro. This is very, very normal for the when a new version of a software is rolled out. You don't just expect everyone to just magically know how to use that new version of the software, because the new version of PATREX Pro is able to analyze the market for you 100%. When I said PATREX Pro is 100% automated, I'm going to be explaining on this particular video, and I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why we choose to put some parameters where we choose to put those parameters. That is out of 8 years of experience. Some of parameters you guys might be wanting me to add, I have backtested and I've seen that you don't need those parameters, or those parameters won't help you to be able to make profits at the end of the day. So this video is going to be very quick, where I'm just going to be showing you, let's just assume you bought the robot now. How do you place your first trade? How do you make money with this robot? Step by step, straight to the point. So let's just assume you bought this robot, right? You download it. This robot comes with 25 videos, bro. 25 videos on the back end teaching you step by step how to use the recent version. Some people will download this particular. I've seen situations where people purchase the robot, put the videos on autopilot, on autoplay, leave the room, then they come back when all the videos are played, just because they want to download the robot. Then they will download the robot, put on their computer. They don't know how this thing works. They don't know how to use the recent version, and then they come on Discord, and then they start writing negative comments. They start saying, no, I don't know how to use this robot. I don't know how to do this. Guys, please just be patient. It won't take you more than 2 hours to just watch these videos that will enable you on how to be able to use the robot. Just watch the video, just be patient and watch the videos for 2 hours, explaining step by step how you can use the robot. Because I don't understand. Just imagine you have a new version of maybe a construction company software, and you just skip all their tutorials. Some people, some new softwares, they will take a week only to train you on how to use that software. But I took just 2 hours to prepare 25 videos for you guys. But some people still don't watch the videos. They just go directly, they just want to install the robot and start. You're not going to make any money. You're not going to make any, that's the reality. You're not going to make any money if you can't even be patient to understand how to use this robot. And another thing I want to make very clear is this version of the robot is totally different from the previous version 4.0 which we had. Because I've seen a situation where people will come and watch, maybe when they go to their dashboard, but because when the new version came out, we sent an email informing all users that the new version is available. So people will go to their back end or on their dashboard, they see the same names on the same names, and they say, no, I already watched these videos. Why are you wasting my time? I just want to download this robot. I don't have the time to be watching these videos. You have to watch those videos, bro. There's no other option. You have to watch the video so that you can understand how to use the robot. That's why you can't skip the videos. And if you skip the videos and you don't even pay attention on what you're doing, when you go ahead, you face the same questions, or you face the same problems, and you start asking the same questions. All right, so the videos are totally different. If we had a video on how to do a VPS on PATREX Pro 4.0, on this particular one, which is 100% AI version, it is totally different. Totally different. I shot a new video. The new scene is different. The instructions are different, and the tutorials are different. So you have to watch those videos. So let's just assume I just downloaded. I just bought the robot. I've watched the videos, and I downloaded the robot. I've unzipped the robot, and I have it on my computer, or I have it installed on my MT5. How do I place a trade, or how do I use this robot to make money? It's simple. Step number 1. You need to be able to pick 2 time frames that you want to use. Based on, that's why I've given you guys the flexibility. Always have even 1% of control over your trading. That's why you need to be, I don't know your style of trading. You don't know my style of trading. This robot will be able to fit any person's style of trading. If you're a swing trader, then you'll be able to pick a time frame that suits your style of trading. If you're a scalper, you'll be able to choose a time frame that suits your style of trading. All right. So the first thing, no matter the style of trading or the kind of trader you are, you have to choose the first way, or the first thing you need to do choose the first, the higher time frame, and the second, the lower time frame. You need these 2 time frames to trade. Whether you want it, whether you want it automated, I'm going to explain to show you guys how it is automated. So you need to pick first the higher time frame and the lower time frame. And on your dash end, when you get the robot, I already gave you guys a template that looks similar to this, but yours is even arranged. It has all these currency pairs arranged. And each currency pair, you have currency pair 1, currency pair 2. Currency pair 1 and 2, they are all the same currency pairs. But remember, the robot comes in two sets, right? Part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is the PATREX Pro generator, and part 2 is the PATREX Pro executor. One generates the signal, and another one executes the signal. So this one will take the PATREX Pro signal generator, and this one will take the PATREX Pro executor. So you only put the robot on this one when you want to execute the trade. On a higher time frame, I've told you guys you can use H1, H4, or D1. So you can use the 1 hour time frame, the 4 hour time frame, or the daily time frame. On the lower time frame, I've told you guys you can use M5, M15, or M30, the 5 minute, the 15 minutes, or the 30 minute. So let's just assume I want to use 1 hour time frame as my high time frame and the 5 minute time frame as my lower time frame. So you fix this on the outside before you even bring in the robot. So my higher time frame is what? Is the 1 hour time frame. So what will I do? I just come here, I drag and drop PATREX Pro signal generator on the higher time frame I've choose. So if I choose the 1 hour time frame, I need to drop PATREX Pro signal generator on the 1 hour time frame, not on the lower time frame. Some of you guys, you drop it on the lower time frame, it starts giving you signals on the lower time frame, then after 5 minutes the signal, because the lower time frame is too noisy, then you come and start writing comment to say no, the robot is not, it's instead staying buy on the higher time frame, and the lower time frame is selling this and that. No, you put it on the higher time frame. So you put it on the 1 hour time frame, and boom, you click on OK. All right. When you click on OK, you're going to receive a message that looks like this: PATREX Pro AI. PATREX Pro AI is analyzing the market. I will send you a signal when it's time to start printing money. If you put it on the 1 hour time frame, you need to wait for approximately an hour for the first signal to be generated. If you put it on the 4 hour time frame, you need to wait for approximately about 4 hours for the first signal to be generated. That goes the same for all the time frames. So you just be patient. Put it on that time frame, on that higher time frame, and wait. Boom. So now, as soon as you put it on that time frame, let's come back now after a couple of about an hour and see what the first signal is going to be. Then we'll continue from there.
1 hour later.
It's been almost an hour, and I know our first signal is going to be generated very, very soon. Because remember, I said if you drop it on the 1 hour time frame, it's going to take approximately an hour. And if you can check here on our market watch, this is where you see, right? I dropped the robot when it was 1700 something. So I know by it was 1800. So by 1900, we can see it's now we have about 10 seconds and we'll be able to get our signal. All right. So about 10 seconds or about 8 seconds, 6 seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Can you guys see that? I can already see on my market watch. You can see immediately we got a signal, we got a pop-up on the computer that says new signal on SAUUSD H1. PATREX Pro AI detected a signal. Time to get in or manage your trade. Simple. Guys, did you do this analysis? No. Did you go and draw support and resistance, do trend line? Did you do anything? No. The robot did everything on the back and combined with AI to tell you what to do. To tell you now it's time to buy. Now it's time to buy. And now that's not even all. If you can come here, remember our time frame of reference was the H1, the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, what is it saying? It's on the buy. Buy only. You can see what's it written on the screen. Now I'm buying. Now I'm buying. Now I'm buying. And if you can come here, H1, what's it saying? H1 is on buying. And the time frame after that, which is H4, is also on buying. If you choose one time frame, if you choose one of the higher time frame, the only one which is of importance is the time frame after that one. All right. And they all have to be on the same direction. Meaning if it was sell only, we expected H4 to also be selling so that we'll know that signal is strong. All right. Now it said buying, now buying, now buying. What does the H4 says? H4 also says buying. So this signal is a very strong signal. All right. Then as soon as I already know that this is a strong signal, what do? You just go now. Now it's time to go to PATREX Pro Executor to execute those trades. As easy as that. You just now come here and minimize this. You go on PATREX. No, let's go here. Let's go here. You come here, you minimize the currency pair, and you go now to this one which has PATREX Pro Executor. You open it, you bring in your PATREX Pro Executor. This is PATREX Pro Executor. You drag it to the computer, and now let's just confirm this, and now what did it say? It said buy only. And make sure it's on the lower time frame. You need to make sure the PATREX Pro Executor is on a lower time frame since this robot is candlestick dependent. Simple, full stop. What did it say on the PATREX Pro Executor again? Now buying. You just come here and you put, if it says selling, you come here, you change this to sell only. But it says buy only, we leave this one on buy only. That's the only thing you need to do. And then if you are trading with a prop firm, now you also be putting your maximum stop loss. If you put where you want your target for the prop firm, if you are trading with your private account, these are all these other parameters which I've already explained on the back end, more than 25 videos. But now let's just say we want to use a lot size of, let's just say 2, then trades per signal, or let's just say 3, or anything you want to use. Let me just use 0.1 since this trade is going to be opening many trades. You just do that. If you want to use the time, you choose the time, choose all these parameters as explained area, and you are good to go. After that, you just click on OK. They're simple as that. After that, you want to click on OK. This robot now is, you just wait for about, since it's a 5-minute time frame, after about 5 minutes, this robot will start opening trades on this 5-minute time frame. As easy as that. You can see my connection is kind of disturbing because I'm doing this directly inside the VPS, all right? I'm doing this directly inside the VPS. So if I just come here, click on OK, I'm just waiting for my VPS to load. So long as I click on OK, choose direction, click on OK, you're good to go. The robot is on the lower time frame and it's going to execute a trade based on the information which the PATREX Pro signal generator is giving. That is simple. What is so difficult with this, guys? What is so difficult with this? I've seen that you guys don't watch the videos. I've taken time to create these videos to guide you guys on how you can use this particular robot. The steps are simple. You choose 2 time frames, one is the higher time frame and one is the lower time frame. The higher time frame can be H1, H4 or D1. The lower time frame can be M5, M15 or M30. Good. You put the robot on any of the higher time frame of your choice. You wait for the signal to be executed. So long as the signal is executed, so the 1 hour time frame it will take about 1 hour. 4 hour time frame will take about 4 hours to analyze the entire Forex market to start giving you signals. Once the signal is generated on the 4 hour time frame or on the higher time frame, the daily or the 1 hour time frame, let's just say if it was on the 1 hour time frame, you then check the time frame after that, which should be the 4 hour time frame. They have to all be on the same direction. If you're somebody who uses investing.com, mostly signals like that on investing.com, they call them strong buy or strong sell. So they need to be on strong buy or a strong sell. A strong buy is a situation where you have the time frame of reference and the time frame after that all in the same direction. That's a strong buy. A strong sell is a situation where you have the time frame of reference and the time frame after that in the same also selling. That's a strong sell. So you only trade when you have a strong buy or a strong sell. Then so long as you already have your strong buy and your strong sell, simple. You just go down to the next currency pair, the same currency pair, but the next one which is open adjacent. You bring in your PATREX Pro Executor. If it says now selling is going to be on your screen very big. You put in your PATREX Pro Executor and then choose the direction based on what PATREX Pro signal generator is saying. Choose your lot size, choose your stop loss, choose your parameter, choose whatsoever risk parameter you want. Click on OK and that is it. The robot is going to do, you don't need to do any other thing. The robot is going to the robot is going to be analyzing the market 24/7. And anytime the signal has changed, you'll be able to come back to PATREX Pro signal generator and you'll be able to see it start saying now selling. If it was on buy only, it will start saying now selling. And immediately it says now selling. It's going to send you a signal right to your phone. Right to your mobile phone to tell you the signal has already changed. Now it's time for you to close your trade. Then that will be the only time where you go and open your MT5 to close your trade. Please just follow these videos. And I know most of you guys who have PATREX Pro, the videos are on the back end teaching you guys. You guys saw me using it on my live account. I think that was a $19,000 account or so. Made almost about $3,000. You guys could see that was a live IC market account. I showed you guys. So please guys, just be patient, watch these videos, follow these steps, and you'll be able to make money with this particular robot. Alright, because when I go on Discord and you guys complain without even taking time, I just launched this version, it's just about 5 days, 3 to 5 days. That's still enough time. That's still very little time for you to be able to master and grasp all the techniques of this robot before complaining. All right? So, just as I said on my computer, this is Signal PATREX Pro Executor. You can see once it's blinking like this, it means this robot is taking signals from what? It's taking signals from PATREX Pro Signal Generator. This is PATREX Pro Executor. It's taking signals from PATREX Pro Signal Generator, and that's why you see this thing blinking. It's blinking, meaning even if we're just waiting for the market to start printing the first trade, once it starts printing, it's going to keep blinking because it's taking signals. You can see, say, I'm ready to start printing money. So the market is just waiting now to start printing on the lower time frame. So guys, follow these steps and trust me, you'll be able to make money with PATREX Pro AI 100% automated. So if you want to use the robot, or if you don't have access to that particular robot, the version is already live. People, if you go there, you see some people are sharing screenshots, already using it on their private account. Check the link on the video description to be able to lay your hands or to be able to get PATREX Pro 100% automated AI edition. So based on my explanation, is PATREX Pro 100% automated or what? What do I mean by automated? Automation is where the robot is able to analyze the market for you. This robot you don't need to know anything about support already, RSI, Bollinger, this, that. No, the market will just do all the analysis and tell you, John, buy here, John, sell here, John, stay out of the market. That is 100% automated and is still powered by AI. So thank you guys so much for watching. Check the link on the video description to get PATREX Pro if you haven't done so, and I'll see you guys on the next videos. Peace.